What's up, beautiful people? So I posted this picture on my Instagram and I got some requests to show how I did this head wrap, and I'm going to show you. It's super simple. This style is perfect for lock newbies, and if you are in between retwists like me. I am almost 5 months locked, but it's not quite time to retwist yet. So this is that style that I've been doing lately. So I'm gonna first start off by spraying my hair with some rose water and glycerin. That makes it easier to manipulate my hair, and I just don't want my hair to be dry. And then I'm gonna follow up with my oil blend. This is going to condition my roots and also seal in the hydration. And so now I'm kind of figuring out how much of my bang I want to use. This style is also great for if you have short bangs, like right above your eyebrows. As you can see, whether it's puffy or not, it still looks good. So now I'm just pulling all of my hair up, and then I'm going to use a wrap that I got from the Wrap Life, which I'll put in the description box below, and kind of use that and continue to rub my hair up. And then I put the wrap in a bow, and while I'm doing that, or I'm sorry, putting the wrap in a knot, but while I'm doing that, I'm making sure that I'm tucking all the excess hair that I do not want to be in the bang. So that makes it a little bit more easier to go ahead and shape the bang once I tie the knot. So I think that's a good amount. Now I'm just kind of like tucking in the excess ones that I don't want to leave down, because if you leave too much down, it does kind of look a little bit messy. So kind of just want to have that right amount. And as I'm tucking, I'm also pulling down my hair, and I think that's about good. When I lift it up in the style that it's going to be, that looks like a good amount. It's covering up the edges because I'm not laying my edges or anything. So now basically you want to cover the inside of the wrap to make sure that the fabric is showing on the outside. You just tie it in a bow, and make sure that the bow is kind of slanted to one side, and that'll make it easier to tuck the bow in. So what I'm doing right now is I am fanning out one end of the bow and try my best to make sure that the fabric is not showing. I'm going to tuck one end inside of the hole, and then on the front side of the bow, I'm going to tuck the other end on the side. So this is going to make sure that the bow doesn't really move, because you don't want the bow to be out of places, then it won't look right. Now I'm just taking the excess and tucking that inside of the same hole that I tucked the end of the bow in. And then that little piece that's in the front, all you got to do is just tuck that underneath. And that's how it went from this to this in a matter of about 2 minutes. It's super quick and super efficient, even when you need a retwist, which you cannot tell. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave that in the comments box below. But that's not all. I have another hair wrap tutorial. If you would be interested in that, that'll be in the card above, as well as the description box below. Until next time, be you, be beautiful, be blessed.